So, yeah. She has, well, my friend Corbin, she has to clean it up with a magic sand. Wait. No. Yeah. So, yeah, magic sand. And you just take it all over out. So, yeah. No, you're not.
I'm cleaning it.
So, yeah, she's
cleaning. You guys know that Corbin's from Texas?
So, yeah, I still open this and there's nothing.
No, you guys have to come.
So, yeah, I'm just going to go to her. Girl, out of that way. So, yeah, as you could see, she's really feeling better. And, achoo! She's cleaning it, yeah.
Let me be the one who's doing it.
Achoo! So, yeah, I'm just going to continue.
Achoo!
No, she's just going to continue it on. She's just going to...
Achoo! Achoo!
Right there. It's the butterfly. So, covering it up so it can work. And when I mix it up, it will all be better. So yeah, we want them to stop annoying me so I can practice this.
That's all her, not me.
Well, who cares? All right, so we're doing it, and I'm gonna mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up.
She's so cute, Corbin. She is kind of cute. Can you just like stop doing that?
There we go. Now let's test them.
Is that time already? It took you like 3 hours.
Are you blushing? Your turn. Come on.
Did you just say bless you in?
Are you blushing?
It's nothing, not bless you in.
Are you sneezing?
No.
Okay, good. So we solved the mystery. Now for part 6.